Every life begins with a single, profound spark. But what incredible journey unfolds in the womb? Millions embark on the miraculous journey of pregnancy, yet few truly see its week-by-week transformation.
On Food Health 360, we invite you to witness the hidden wonders of pregnancy progression.
For invaluable insights and health tips on this incredible journey, subscribe now to Food Health 360 and become part of our community.
Welcome to Week 1, the true beginning of an extraordinary new life. The journey has just begun.
While unseen changes unfold within, maintaining wellness is key for the expectant mother.
In Week 3, the fertilized egg, now a blastocyst, begins its crucial journey to implant within the uterine wall.
By Week 4, rapid cellular division transforms the blastocyst into an embryo, laying the groundwork for all major organs. Though invisible, a mother's body begins to signal its incredible new role as hormones surge.
At just 5 weeks, one of the most incredible milestones, the tiny fetal heart begins to beat. By Week 6, the neural tube closes, a critical step for the developing brain and spinal cord, as tiny limb buds appear.
While unseen changes unfold within, maintaining wellness is key for the expectant mother. In Week 7, the embryo's face begins to take shape, with the formation of tiny eyes, nose, and mouth structures.
By Week 8, the embryo officially becomes a fetus, growing rapidly and beginning to make small, spontaneous movements.
By Week 9, though still small, the uterus is expanding, and some mothers may notice a subtle fullness.
At Week 10, crucial organs like the liver and kidneys are taking shape, becoming more refined and functional. By Week 11, the fetus is actively moving, developing reflexes, and even practicing early breathing movements.
As Week 12 closes, the first trimester concludes, marking a significant developmental milestone for the baby.
For many, this is the first glimpse of their precious new life, a moment of profound connection.
Welcome to the second trimester, often called the golden trimester, where growth accelerates and new joys emerge. Many women experience the pregnancy glow during this trimester, a time of renewed energy and vitality.
By Week 14, the baby's taste buds are developing, allowing them to experience the flavors of the amniotic fluid.
Fine hair, known as Lanugo, begins to grow all over the baby's body, providing insulation and protection.
Around Week 16, many mothers transition to maternity wear, celebrating their blossoming shape.
In Week 18, the baby's ears are developing, allowing them to hear muffled sounds from the outside world. In Week 18, the baby's ears are developing, allowing them to hear muffled sounds from the outside world.
This is a beautiful time for parents to begin bonding, as their baby can now perceive their voices and touch.
Congratulations! Week 20 marks the halfway point of this incredible journey, filled with growth and movement.
The baby continues to swallow amniotic fluid, experiencing a range of tastes influenced by the mother's diet.
Around Week 22, those gentle flutters transform into unmistakable kicks, a constant reminder of life within. The baby's brain is undergoing rapid development, forming billions of neural connections for future learning. By Week 24, the lungs are maturing, developing essential air sacs, preparing for life outside the womb.
The nesting instinct often kicks in during this period, as parents eagerly prepare for their little one's arrival.
In Week 26, the baby's eyes are opening, and they can perceive light and shadow, even from within the womb. The baby begins to establish more regular sleep-wake cycles, practicing for life after birth. As the second trimester draws a close, the baby's presence becomes a profound and visible reality.
Welcome to the third and final trimester, a period of rapid growth and preparation for birth.
The baby's kicks become stronger and more frequent, a testament to their growing strength and development. Antenatal classes provide invaluable knowledge and support, helping parents prepare for the birthing experience. The baby actively practices breathing motions, inhaling and exhaling amniotic fluid, strengthening their tiny lungs.
Bones continue to harden, though the skull remains flexible to allow for passage through the birth canal.
Rest becomes paramount as the body works tirelessly to nurture and grow its precious cargo.
By week 30-55, the baby is essentially full term, continuing to gain weight and mature in preparation for birth.
The baby often drops into the pelvis around this time, a signal that birth is approaching.
These final weeks are a time of profound anticipation, as both mother and baby prepare for their meeting. All organs are fully matured and ready to function independently outside the protected environment of the womb.
The placenta, a life-sustaining organ, continues its vital role, ensuring the baby receives all it needs for these final days.
At week 40, the journey is complete. The expectant mother cradles the miracle she has nurtured, ready to meet her child.
A testament to life's resilience and the boundless capacity of the human body. This is the ultimate gift.
From a single cell to a fully formed human, the miracle is ready to unfold outside.
We've witnessed the rapid cellular organization and foundational development of the first trimester.
Then, the golden trimester, where distinct features emerged and powerful connections were forged.
And finally, the third trimester, a period of immense growth and preparation for the world.
And through it all, the mother's body, a vessel of life, adapted and transformed with breathtaking grace.
The journey inside is complete, but a brand new adventure is just beginning.
In week 1, a symphony of biology orchestrates the very first moments of a unique human life.
This pivotal week sees the precise timing of ovulation and the miraculous fusion of genetic material.
The nascent life begins its incredible journey toward the uterus, dividing and growing with every hour.
Protective sacs begin to form, providing vital support and nourishment for the rapidly developing embryo.
Early pregnancy often sparks a renewed focus on healthy choices and well-being.
The neural tube, destined to become the brain and spinal cord, undergoes critical closure in this crucial week. Tiny limb buds emerge and begin to grow, hinting at the future hands and feet of the baby. A remarkable refinement occurs as tiny fingers and toes begin to separate from their webbed beginnings.
Early medical guidance ensures both mother and baby receive the best start to this incredible journey.
Placenta fully takes over its role, becoming the baby's life support system within the womb.
Though imperceptible to the mother, the fetus begins to move actively, exploring its watery world.
By week 12, the baby's internal and external genitalia have developed, revealing their unique identity.
The second trimester often brings a sense of comfort and the joy of sharing the news with loved ones.
The vocal cords are forming, setting the stage for the baby's very first cry and future voice.
Fine, downy Lanugo hair begins to cover the baby's body, helping regulate temperature.
The bump is now undeniable, a beautiful, visible testament to the life flourishing within.
A crucial layer of fat begins to accumulate, providing insulation and energy for the baby. The baby's developing senses allow it to actively engage with its environment, both inside and out.
These early kicks, often called quickening, solidify the magical connection between mother and child.
A protective, waxy coating called vernix caseosa begins to cover the baby's skin, shielding it from the amniotic fluid.
The baby practices self-soothing behaviors, like thumb sucking, important for development and future feeding.
This is a time of shared wonder, as partners also feel the baby's presence and bond with their growing family.
The baby experiences REM sleep, suggesting brain activity similar to dreaming, a fascinating developmental stage.
Crucial lung development continues, with the production of surfactant, preparing the baby for independent breathing.
Friends and family gather to celebrate the impending arrival, showering the expectant parents with love and gifts.
The baby refines essential reflexes, practicing the instinctual behaviors needed for survival after birth.
The baby's brain continues its complex growth, forming the intricate folds essential for higher cognitive functions.
Many mothers find solace and connection in journaling their thoughts and feelings during this profound time.
The baby often settles into a head-down position, optimizing its alignment for the birthing process.
With less room to maneuver, the baby's movements become more distinct and powerful, a sign of its growing strength.
The nursery takes shape, filled with anticipation and all the tiny necessities for the baby's arrival.
The uterus begins to practice for labor with Braxton Hicks contractions, preparing for the grand event.
Vital antibodies are transferred from mother to baby, providing crucial passive immunity for its first months.
With the due date nearing, practical preparations, like packing a hospital bag, become a tangible reality.
The baby's organs continue to refine, ensuring peak functionality for life outside the womb.
The baby gains crucial weight, accumulating fat layers essential for warmth and energy after birth. A quiet anticipation fills these final days, as the mother patiently awaits her baby's grand entrance.
The amount of amniotic fluid slightly decreases, providing a more snug environment for the full-term baby.
The baby's hair is often full, and tiny fingernails and toenails are fully grown, ready for the outside world. At week 40, a mother walks in the profound wisdom of her body, ready to welcome new life.
The grand culmination of this journey is the miraculous moment of birth.
From a microscopic cell, a complex embryo rapidly forms, developing the blueprints for a human being.
The fetus grows dramatically, developing senses and forming deep connections with its mother.
The final trimester sees rapid weight gain, organ maturation, and preparation for entry into the world.
Witnessing Sarah's journey, we see the profound beauty and strength of motherhood unfold.
Every week, every tine development, a testament to the incredible miracle of human life.
We hope this journey has deepened your understanding and appreciation for the wonder of pregnancy.
Food Health 360 is dedicated to providing you with reliable, empathetic health and wellness insights. Don't miss out on our future content. Subscribe to Food Health 360 for continuous support and information. Follow us on social media to engage with our community and stay connected.
We love hearing from you. Share your own pregnancy experiences and insights in the comments below.
Explore more of our videos for comprehensive guides on health, nutrition, and family wellness.
Every life is a precious gift. Cherish every moment.
Food Health 360, nurturing your health, nourishing your life.
Thank you for watching.
From a single cell, the embryo intelligently differentiates, laying the foundation for all future tissues. Each week brings new milestones, from the first heartbeat to the development of complex brain structures.
The mother's body undergoes its own profound adaptations, a testament to its incredible nurturing power.
The final weeks are a gentle countdown to the extraordinary moment of meeting one's child.